The Eurasian tectonic plate. The Eurasian tectonic plate is a significant lithospheric plate that plays a crucial role in shaping the geology, topography, and seismic activity of the vast region spanning from Europe to Asia. The plate is known for its interactions with nearby plates, including the Northern American plate, African plate, Indian plate, and Pacific plate. The complex interactions along the plate boundaries result in various geological phenomena, including volcanic activity, earthquake activity, and distinctive seafloor characteristics. In summary, over this video, we will explore the Eurasian plate geological features and its impact on the surrounding regions. To start off, the volcanic activity. Volcanic activity along the Eurasian plate is primarily concentrated in two key regions, Iceland and the Mediterranean. In Iceland, the plate boundary is characterized by a divergent boundary with the Eurasian plate and the Northern American plate, where the Eurasian plate and the North American plate are moving apart. This separation has created a unique geological phenomenon known as the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where volcanic eruptions are common. Iceland boasts a high number of active volcanoes and geothermal features due to the tectonic forces at play. This volcanic activity has significant implications for the island's landscape and geothermal energy resources. In the Mediterranean region, the convergence of the Eurasian plate and the African plate has created subduction zones where one plate is forced underneath the other. This subduction process generates intense heat and pressure, resulting in volcanic eruptions. Famous volcanic locations in this region include Mount Vesuvius, I hope I'm saying that right, in Italy, and Sartorina in Greece. These volcanic eruptions pose significant risks to local populations and have shaped the landscape over millennia. Alright, earthquake activity. Earthquake activity is closely related to tectonic plate movement, and the Eurasian plate is no exception. Along its boundaries, the Eurasian plate interacts with neighboring plates, leading to the formation of fault lines and seismic activity. Notably, the Eurasian plate interacts with the African plate along the boundary in the Mediterranean, where the African plate subducts beneath the Eurasian plate. This subduction zone experiences frequent seismic activity, often resulting in destructive earthquakes. Another significant region of earthquake activity is in the Himalayan mountain range, where the Eurasian plate and the Indian plate collide. This collision has given rise to the mighty Himalayan mountains and a high level of earthquake activity. The 2015 Nepal earthquake is a recent example of the devastating sequences of this collision. Seafloor age and topography. The seafloor characteristics along the Eurasian plate's boundaries are quite diverse. In the North Atlantic, where the Eurasian plate and North American plate are diverging, along the Mid-Atlantic ridge, the seafloor is relatively young. As the plates move apart, magma rises to create new oceanic crust, resulting in a relatively shallow and geologically active seafloor. Iceland is a prime example of this, with its young seafloor and associated volcanic and geothermal activity. In contrast, the Mediterranean region presents a more complex seafloor landscape. Here, the convergence of the Eurasian plate and the African plate has created subduction zones and complex topography. The seafloor is older and it exhibits deep trenches and basins, as well as volcanic island chains and uplifted plateaus. Eurasian plate outline. The Eurasian plate is the Earth's largest tectonic plate, covering a vast area extending from Europe to Asia. Its western boundary is marked by the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, where it meets the North American plate. To the south, it interacts with the African plate along the Mediterranean. In the east, the Eurasian plate coverages with the Philippine Sea plate and Indian plate, and the Australian plate, resulting in various geological features, including mountain ranges and seismic activity. In summary, the Eurasian plate is a major tectonic plate with a rich geological history, leading to diverse features such as volcanic activity, earthquake activity, and distinct seafloor characteristics. The plate's interactions with neighboring plates have profound implications for the region's in spans, shaping landscapes and posing both natural hazards and opportunities for geothermal energy and scientific study. Understanding the dynamics of the Eurasian plate is crucial for geological crucial for geologists, simologists, and the safety of the populations living in the regions it affects.